Kamangani sir, welcome to Chori Talks with Komal Singh, and I hope you're all doing good. तो मैंने शिव पुराण स्टार्ट करी थी. आई थॉट आई बी स्टार्टिंग विद माई सीरीज विच विल बी कंटिन्यूड फॉर श्योर. लेकिन आई गॉट अ लिटिल DMs ऑन माई फ्यू DMs इन माई इंस्टाग्राम और मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी. आई थिंक एक वीडियो पे कमेंट आया था. एंड देन आई ऑल्सो गॉट फ्यू मैसेजेस ऑन माई लिंक्डइन कम्युनिटी. इफ यू डोंट नो, आई एम कोमल बाबू सिंह on my LinkedIn community. But the point that I have is, amidst AI being so trending, everybody is rushing towards AI. People were like, what should we do to be relevant in the market, right? This is a very big $1 million question, and I don't know if I'm there yet to answer this question. But I would be happy to share what I know and what can best help, correct? So what I feel is, change is constant. Change is the only thing that's constant in life. ये काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला होगा, and I'm sure this is a very famous quote that everybody follows. But what's more important is to realize that with the changing time, with changing trend, what we have to do is be relevant to the market, upskilling and learning. That's really important. सीखने की कोई उम्र नहीं होती है, ये बड़े सयाने कह के गए हैं, और ये बहुत ही सच्ची बात है कि नो मैटर आपके पास जॉब हो, आप कौन से लेवल ऑफ ईयर्स ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस आपके करियर में हो, but having a learning curve and having the curiosity to learn is very important. So that's the mantra for today. No matter where, which space of work you are, to stay relevant, to stay with the market trend, to know what's AI, it's important you learn about AI, and you have to be super fast. You have to match the speed of the AI because everything is happening on a finger snap. So be more relevant, keep learning, keep growing. That's important. Never hesitate to learn. Stay up to the mark, up to the speed with the trend. That's going to help you, and it's going to keep you more relevant to the market. Now, what beginners can do, I know a lot of college campuses do have AI as their courses, but having the industry, the way industry is looking at, how businesses are looking at towards AI, what kind of revolution can AI make is more important. So whatever your niche is, whatever your expertise is, whatever area of work you are, how you can imbibe AI in your life, in your business, in your operations makes you more relevant, right? Now AI need not necessarily be you build AI agent bots and just simple way. If you're doing an operational work, if you're doing it manually, you're consuming more time. Just see how you can automate it, right? Automation is another reliable source that you can always refer on. So making smart decisions, getting upskilled is more important, and I think that's one way of staying relevant. Staying up to date is important. I think the next topic that I have in my mind and probably I'll be talking about is my UPSC journey, because I think it's a mix of both, right? I am a combination of so many things that I've been experiencing, and I'm sure this video is going to help. To all the freshers out there, need not worry. AI is not taking away jobs. AI is just making lives easy. Upskill yourself, get up, and be you, be the change, and that's more important. So I hope this helped. I'll be coming up with more some interesting topics in Chori Talks. I had thought of not talking about corporate, not talking about tech, but it's need of the hour. So I'll be change is constant, right? So I'll be matching up to the relevance that's required for my audience. Okay, till then, take care, bye. Like and subscribe करना भूलना मत.